Actors Shahid Kapoor and Alia Bhatt have released the first song titled Gulabo at an event in Mumbai on Thursday. Both the Shandar actors kicked off the launch event with live performance on the song sung by Vishal Dadlani and Anusha Mani. While interacting with media persons, Shahid and Alia, who have been paired opposite each other for the very first time, spoke about the shooting experience and all the other drama on the sets while shooting their song. Watch them here.
You know, I'll be very honest. The Gulabo was the first song जो मैं और शाहिद साथ में dance करने वाले थे and shooting and everything. So I was damn nervous, because I'm dancing next to Shahid. He doesn't even even he puts 10% energy, it look like he's putting 100% energy.
This is all rubbish.
Then you in dancing.
We saw the video. Everybody has seen the video. At that time, in context of when I met you for the first time, you're an even better person now. You're wonderful, Alia. Everything about you is so good. But yeah, we really got along. I honestly wondered whether we'd get along because we've, not really known each other at all. But I don't know, it was great. I just feel like I maybe know her from another life types. I get that feeling.
Actually, so. I thought they'd been lying to me that they didn't know each other, because when I saw them on the third or fourth day of shoot, they were standing in one corner and talking for about 2 hours. They had one earpiece of the walkie on their ears. They were listening to music and talking. I said, "Ye jhoot bole ki ye jante nahi the ek dusre ko." But yeah, I think they got along really well on the shoot, even though Alia was sneakily preparing on the side, which I can also vouch for.
Shahid, you must take back your statement saying that these new kids, if you're married, doesn't mean that you've grown old.
Thank you so much. It's very kind.
Agreed.
It's very kind of you. Thank you very much.
Wherever you are, I agree.
Yeah, this
Yes,
side.
I don't know why.
Deepika again.
Alia,
Yeah, this side.
Alia,
Anji.
Hello.
I'm to ask you that you wore the bikini for the first time in this
No,
movie.
no, not for the first. In this movie?
Yeah.
In this movie, yes, for the first time, but in life, not for the first time.
But how comfortable you was in the shot?
I at that moment was not comfortable because it was very cold, but I was
Alia.
very happy.
Alia was not comfortable when this bikini shot was happening.
It was -2 degrees the way we shot the bikini.
The beach that they chose, which looks like any beach in India, which was -2 degrees when they shot there. And everybody was only freezing. I was actually wearing a ganji and I was wearing pants, but I was bare feet and I was dying, so I can only imagine what happened. In fact, we have some footage on the making of this film with Alia trying to give the bikini shot because she was told it's a mid shot, so she took her dungarees down only till here. So when they panned down, her entire dungarees was still there. So it was very, very cold. When
It
she-
was, but I feel
it's going to come out in the making.
Will it? So then you'll see also. But for me, once the camera comes on, it's like anything can happen. That was nothing. Me and Shahid, actually, there's a sequence in the film where we were swimming in minus how many degrees water?
-5.
-5. And we were very cold.
And we spent 2 days in there, and so basically, Vikas had this very big smile on his face throughout that day, and I was
ठंडी नहीं है।
wondering कि इतनी खुशी क्यों दिखा रहा है. So we actually discovered that the water was -5, which is why he was trying to keep it so warm and happy because he knew what he's going to put us through.
Yeah, Vikas would come from the hill and say, "It's not that cold, na? You're fine, na?" With muffler, jacket, socks, everything. And we are like, "Yeah, bro, we're fine. We're cool."
And I told Vikas, एक बार पानी में हाथ तो डाल. तुझे क्या पता? मुझे ठंडी नहीं लगती है. तू wrong आदमी से बात कर रहा है. But he didn't put his hand inside that water. Ever.
No, but Alia said, "What are we doing about this water?" So I told her, वो जो पुराने ज़माने वो गीज़र के वो नहीं आते थे, वो हीटर इलेक्ट्रिक डालने वाले पानी में, वो हम सब तरफ डाल रहे हैं, तो पानी हम गर्म करके रखेंगे तुम्हारे
हाँ,
लिए.
मैंने
And
believe
she
किया.
believed it also. She thought in that waterfall we're going to put those hot
क्या कर रहे हो यार?
rods.
अभी बंद हुआ है. फिर से चालू मत करो.
Shandar, which revolves around Destination Wedding, is directed by Vikas Bahl and it also stars Pankaj Kapoor, Sana Kapoor and Diljit Dosanjh among others. It is slated to hit the big screens on October 22nd.